वेंचणूक दारार पावता पावता गोंयच्या राजकीय मळार एक भुंयकांपावरी राजकीय घडणूक घडल्या। काँग्रेसचो वरिष्ठ आमदार लुईझीन फालेरून नावेली मतदारसंघांतल्यान काँग्रेसीचे आमदारकेचो राजीनामो दिला। सभापती राजेश पाटणेकरान तो स्वीकारलोय बी। वेंचणुकेच्या आदी काँग्रेसीक हो व्हडलो धपको, पूण काँग्रेसी खातीर भुंयकाप म्हणचो जाल्यार हांव काँग्रेस सोडचो ना अशें लुईझन म्हणटा।
Many people are asking whether I'm quitting Congress. Definitely no. I belong to the Congress family and I will be always there with the Congress family. Of course, I have resigned as an MLA. But I have resigned as an MLA so that my dream to build, consolidate, strengthen and unify the Congress family at the state level and at the national level. And I will work hard so that this Congress family has been today divided. There is a Congress which belongs to Mamta. There is a Congress which belongs to YSR. There is a Congress which belongs to Sharad Pawar. And there is a Congress which was my party belonging to Indira Congress. But once a family is divided, it becomes weak. And you must have seen the Congress which has given the independence to India is today weak, losing everything. Last year itself, last 2 years, we lost 187 MLAs. So I have decided and see that we work hard once again so that we give a strong opposition to the present dispensation in Goa and at the center.